So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone battery draining very fast after new iOS 16.3 beta 2 update. As you know, Apple released new iOS 16.3 beta 2 recently released. So in this video I'm going to show you how the iOS 16.3 beta 2 on iPhone 13 Pro Max. So without wasting any time, let's start video. As you can see, this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max and right now it's running on iOS 16.3 beta 2. So check the battery activity and how's the iOS 16.3 beta 2 for iPhone 13 Pro Max. Open iPhone setting, tap on battery. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Check the battery health. You can see appears on screen its battery health about 98%, and no go back. You can see appears on screen. Here are showing all activity and last charge on my iPhone. Right now you can see tap on show activity. As you can see, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, all apps showing here that recently used and how many time it's running on my iPhone. Now go back and how to fix that issue temporary, maybe in future it's fixed by official update. So now go to the temporary solution, tap on privacy and security. You can see appears on screen. Here are showing location services. Just turn off your location services and also turn off tracking. You can see appears on screen, it's also turn off to fix the battery draining very fast issue on my iPhone 13 Pro Max right now, because GPS and all tracking apps taking too much battery. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iOS 16.3 beta 2 battery draining very fast on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Maybe that bug will fixed in official update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.